Hi everyone. The world of coding is changing fast, and in 2025, it's not enough to just make an app. You have to make it secure by design from day one. And I'm not just talking about theory. I spent nearly 20 years in the trenches coding for Fortune 500 companies, secure coding environments, and leading AppSec in many companies. Recently, I worked at CompTIA, Senior Application Engineer with Application Security. So today, I am going to show you exactly what's changing in code security and why it matters and how you can adopt to stay ahead. A little bit about myself. I started my career building database-driven websites before CMS platforms like WordPress were even common. My work included creating online identities for big names like Four Seasons Hotels, Hilton in the tri-state area of New York City. Over the years, my focus shifted into security. In other words, securing application using my vast amount of experience. And at CompTIA, as a senior security engineer, I was earning certifications in Azure, AWS security because I realized how important the cloud was. Fast forward, I am currently partners in Patron Cyber Security. So when I discuss secure coding, it's coming from someone who's written some code, secured it, and broken it, and then secured it again. So why don't we get into the problem? Why secure coding matters more than ever in 2025? Well, here's the threat landscape. So the bad guys aren't waiting until you launch your app. They're scanning for vulnerabilities the moment your code hits a public repo or staging server. So AI is even making it easier for these attackers to find weaknesses faster. So here's the business impact. In 2025, one exploited bug can lead to millions in damages, regulatory fines, and brand destruction. Especially with privacy laws like GDPR and U.S. data protection acts getting tougher for sure. So shifting to a different mindset. The old model was code fast, patch later. The 2025 model is secure by design. So basically, this is security baked into every step of the software development lifecycle. So secure coding principles, which every developer should follow. Why don't we go over these? Number one, validate all inputs. Never trust user input, whether it's from API or a file upload or even a form. Use parameterized queries. So injection is still a top threat. Parameterization kills it. Secure secrets. Don't hard code API keys or password. Use vaults like AWS Secrets Manager or Azure Key Vault. I can't tell you how many times I've seen hard coding within applications. Least privilege is very important. Give your app only the access it needs and nothing more. Another thing, automate security scans. You want to use SAST and you want to use DAST. These tools should be in your CI/CD pipeline so vulnerabilities are caught before deployment. How is AI changing secure coding? So this is an opportunity and the risk. Generative AI tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot can help you write code, as we know, for sure faster. But here's the catch. If you don't understand the security implications, you could be injecting these vulnerabilities at super fast speed. So AI is a great accelerator, but you are still the gatekeeper. That's why secure coding training combined with automated scanning is indeed the future. So the winners of 2025 will be the developers who can move fast and secure these apps at the same time. All right? So really important, secure and speed.